Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And I am making this video today because you probably found an ANT-2WFMX on the windshield of your vehicle, and you stumbled upon this video wondering, what the hell is this thing that's in my vehicle? And this video is made to tell you what it is. What is it? It's an antenna that is used and manufactured by Compustar for various alarm, remote starter, and alarm with remote starter products. How do you know what's installed on your vehicle or if the system is working? Well, you'd have to purchase a key fob to program to this antenna. You may also be watching this video because you need a new ANT-2WFMX. If yours broke or it got damaged, you may need to purchase a new one. So we are here to tell you that we sell them at Lockdown Security. We also provide some useful information, and this video is to show you how to use that useful information or how to access it. If you go to our website, lockdownsecurity.ca, and you find the listing, ANT-2WFMX, you can simply search for it and you'll find it. You can see here we've got the programming instructions embedded, so we've essentially got a written guide as well as a YouTube video on how to program a key fob to this antenna if you purchase one or if you have one. We've got a link to all the compatible key fobs. If we click this button, it'll take us to this page. If I go back, we have also got the capability for you to add an antenna cable. So for those of you who don't know, this antenna does not come equipped with a cable. So if the cable in your vehicle is damaged along with the antenna, you'll have to purchase the cable as an option. But we've got the correct cable listed as the option here. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Like I said, we have noticed a lot of traffic to this page on our site, so we figured might as well make a video to explain to everybody out there what this antenna is. Just quick note, this is a two-way antenna. So if I show you the compatible key fobs, these are two-way key fobs. What is a two-way? A two-way key fob is a key fob that essentially communicates to you the status of the vehicle. So if you send a lock command to the vehicle and you're using a two-way key fob, the vehicle will send a signal back to the key fob explaining or notifying you that the vehicle has locked the doors or unlocked the doors or popped the trunk or remote started with remote start runtime if the vehicle is equipped with a remote starter. So if you found an ANT-2WFMX on your vehicle, please be aware that you are able to add a two-way remote if you want to make that investment, or you can purchase a basic one-way remote. Now, you may notice that some of these key fobs are sold out. This antenna is a current made product as of 2023. We anticipate it'll still be current for years to come, so you'll be able to buy key fobs for this antenna, we hope, for a long time to come. If you're watching this video way out in the future and you notice that the key fobs we have on this link are discontinued, we'll edit our website to let you know if there's any alternative options or if it is truly discontinued and no longer produced. But as of the recording date of this video, which is February 3rd, 2023, this is a current product with current antennas available, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, it goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. I know this is a bit of a random video, but like I said, we're trying to help out our customers and those who have stumbled upon this video because you found this antenna in your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Look forward to making more videos in the future.